The Toyota CHR AX10/X50 from 2016 onward with the 1.2-liter 8NR-FTS turbo engine produces 85 kilowatts, 114 horsepower, and 185 newton-meters, offering efficient and responsive performance. This modern inline-4 uses VVT-IW, a timing chain, and Toyota's D4T system with both direct and port injection, helping reduce carbon buildup. It's available with a 6-speed manual or CVT in FWD or AWD configurations. The engine requires servicing every 12 months or 15,000 kilometers and takes about 4.1 liters of fully synthetic 0W20 oil. Known for strong reliability, issues are generally minor, with occasional turbo or software checks, making it a durable and well-engineered power unit.